What's up, guys? All right, today, well, first of all, check out this mess. Doing an oil pan on a family member's X5. So we got the subframe out and had some trouble getting the axles popped out. So I ended up getting this 5-ton puller, hydraulic puller from Harbor Freight, and it's amazing. Like, don't even try pulling axles without that thing. It just pops right out. It's crazy. So here we have a G30 540 with the B58. This is a new customer. Guy just wants rear brakes, and the rear sensor was tripped, and an oil change. So I already did the passenger side last night because storm's coming, and I just wanted to get it done while I could. And that included the sensor. So this side is just pads, and then we'll get to the oil change next. So okay, and we'll just stick that under there to pretend like we're doing something good. All right, let's see. We need a T45. And T45 and a 17 thin. These are Vim Tools thin wrenches for caliper guide pins. Absolute lifesaver. And they were only like, well, I was getting ready to buy a Mac set, and the Mac guy won like $240 for a set. And Vim Tools had these for I think 150. So definitely went that route. Okay. Good. One bolt out. Another bolt out. And we'll get those will get replaced. Okay. So both my hangers are being used on the X5, so we're gonna have to kind of MacGyver this. Just let it hang. Okay. All right. So still have a good bit of life left, as you can see. But these are the factory pads, so I think it's time anyways. A lot of pad left there. All right. Pads. There we go. Okay. Looking good. All right. So our sensor pad goes on the inside. Let's see how we want to install it. I want to go like this. I'm going to put it on like that. And once they're on, I'll come back around and put the grease on the back. It just saves some mess while you're working. Okay. All right. It's on there. Next one, let me put that grease on the back. Okay. Next pad. Let's see, we're gonna put this on like this. Perfect. El perfecto. Done with this. Okay. Now we gotta back that pad in, or the caliper in. So when you do that, you want to check your reservoir, make sure you have room. All right, so there's a good amount of space in there. And we'll just put that in until it stops. And you'll know it. There we go. Don't go any further. And then we'll double check our reservoir. Perfect. Okay. Put that back. Okay. All right. Caliper on. New bolts. That's in-ish. And that is in-ish. Okay. Ah, I forgot to show you. Dang. We did the ISTA brake, parking brake service function, but we'll get to see how to undo it. It basically just retracts the electronic parking brake for you into installation mode, and then you just got to undo it when you are finished. Okay. All right. This one. Come on. Let's see. Maybe we should go this way. Okay. That's it, man. She's on there. Okay. I'll check everything else, make sure everything is good. We believe this car was in a rear end accident because the trunk says 530, which would be a 4-cylinder, and there's definitely not a 4-cylinder in the hood in the front, and according to the VIN it's 540. So we're thinking that they might have just gotten a trunk off of a wrecked 530 and thrown it on there. Well, everything looks good. All right. Okay. We'll come back with the torque wrench later. Okay, and that's that, my guy. So we're gonna put this down, put all this away, and get inside, undo the service function, flip it around, change the oil. All right. Go. All right, I'll be back. Okay. So, your laptop, go in diagnostic mode, plug her in. Okay. Complete identification. Yep. All right, this takes forever. I'll be back. Right on. Here we go. Okay, we'll go vehicle management, service functions, chassis and suspension, parking brake, workshop mode. Yeah. Okay, so this gives you a bunch of hoopla about the stability control. So, function of automatic hold brake, used to activate, deactivate the installation position of the e-brake for brake pad replacement, etc. Okay, continue. We already activated, so we would like to deactivate the installation position. And this can also be done on different things like Pro Tool. I know of. I read it can be done on Beamer Link. I'm not sure, but you know, nothing's as good as ISTA. So deactivate. The deactivate installation position function has been selected. Is deactivated the next step. Okay. I don't know if you can hear that, but you can hear the motors going. Carry out functional check, engage parking brake. Okay. All right. Okay, function indicator light glows. Okay, we have our parking brake light. Vigorously press and keep pedal depressed. Okay, release parking brake. Okay, that's it. Continue. Installation was deactivated. Cool. In service function. And we'll close out the operation. That's it. All right, we'll be back for the oil change. All right then. Changing the oil. We're just gonna loosen our filter real quick. Oh boy, that's not how that's supposed to be, but okay, makes it easier for us. Okay, so we have this. I need that, and slap that on there. That's a 32 mil oil filter socket. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yeah. So far so good. Ooh, aftermarket filter, huh? Okay. Okay, Dan. Do. Good. 17 mil. Loosen that. Let the air in. Let's go drink some oil, boys. Let's go drain some oil. Open that. Crazy. Still have that intact. Damn, right next to the starter. That's crazy. Okay. Here we go. Loosen. Come on. There we go. That there. All right. Ready? Set. Go. Yeah, no, it's thin. That's a 0W20, baby. Okay. It's a little warm too, since I just drove it. All right. Okay. I guess I should have left this on the workbench, since that's where we're going to do that. It is not the right washer. Crazy, huh? Well, okay. All right. Bring that back a little bit. Once our oil's drained. Okay, let's just go ahead and get that filter out. Well, that's not what I wanted. This happened on an X6 I did recently, and where the filter stays but the lid comes out, and you just hope and pray that the filter comes out without breaking off on the bottom. From what I've read, that's usually a replacement of the filter housing. Oh, the fuck? Wow. Damn. Okay. What the hell? This, my friends, is why you don't use aftermarket parts. That is crazy. Jeez, man. Wasn't even attached on either side. Holy cow. That's crazy. Alright. Trash. Don't need that. I do need a Picky McPickerton. You know what's crazy, man? I bought these Mac picks, and I try to use them, but these Craftsman ones I just find so much easier to use. I don't know. You know, it's like, shouldn't be that way. Man, you can just feel how it's just junk. Just feel it. Okay. That's it. Okay. Filter. Perfect. Man, so smooth. Okay. Let's put him back. This is all junk. Put that there. Put that there. Put that there. Okay. Let's go put him back in. 25 Newton meters. Okay. Whew. 25 Newton meters. Yep. I'm sure it's already there, but we will see. Okay. Good to go. Okay, new washer. Okay. 25. Okay, good. All right. Cover that back up. Boom, baby. Okay. Lid on. Cool. Oh, we gotta put this harness back where it should have been, like that. Okay, looks good. Okay. That's a little bit of a wipe down. Make it look a little fresher. All right then. That's all she wrote, my guy. I'll be back. I'll show you how to reset the service reminder on the inside. All right, we're in the car after the oil change. We're gonna reset the engine oil service message and the vehicle check message. So 3 presses on the start button for diagnostic mode. Once your service indicators go away, then you're gonna hold down the BC button for a really long time until the prompt comes up. Didn't take this long on older cars. Okay, so first we'll do engine oil reset possible. Hold down the BC button. Same process as the older cars, but just takes longer. Reset, press it again. Cool. All right. The difference is it makes you go back through the entire process every time you want to do something. So now I want to go back and reset the vehicle check reminder, and it's like you got to start over from the beginning. Whereas like on my E60, you can just, it goes back to the main service reminder menu where you can reset from there. So reset.